Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I'm filming my August 2019 PetitVour box unboxing. And so the box came a day or two ago. Me and Austin already got in here and looked at things, but I haven't really dug in. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you may notice, the lighting is incredibly yellow. I'm using overhead light. I have lights. I haven't set those things up in forever and a day, so just wasn't doing that today. And you probably can't tell because there's only a tiny sliver of window back there, but it is dark. It is storming and gross and so much lightning and thunder, so hopefully... Oh, okay, well, my one light decided to just start working. It does that. Anyway, hopefully the thunder doesn't get too loud in this video and disrupt the audio, but let's go ahead and get started. Whew, I feel like I'm already thirsty. Anyway, so I'm in my comfy, cozy sweater. I just came home and wanted to be super comfy because it's just gross out. Anyway, the PetitVour box. This is the card this month. Really cute graphic, and I like that a lot. I always keep these cards. I think they're so beautiful. So let's open it up. Let's see, the August 2019 beauty box. As summer draws to a close, we're soaking up the last moments of heat and prepping our skin for the transition into cooler temperatures. This month's box features a mascara with a show-stopping formula, a Hawaiian cleansing cream to take off the day, an acid-based toner for smooth skin, a blemish-clearing serum that heals and maintains a clear complexion, and a natural fragrance that will have you swooning for fall. So that's pretty cute. So let's just go ahead and dig through, and the first item is right here. I believe this is the fragrance. Petite History Envie. Is that what it's called? Yeah. And this tiny little sample, it says is worth $5. It's literally 0.03 ounces. No one would pay $5 for this. But I guess they have to stick a price on it. It says it's 100% natural. I don't know which one to read first. I'll read the box first. And then it says, violet glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Powdery orris is the quiet, cool whisper of Paris. Now let me read what the card says. A 100% natural fragrance of glistening violet and rose dancing in soft rain. Okay, it's the same thing. The middle note of powdery orris is quiet and is a quiet, cool whisper of Paris. Okay, so when we were digging in here, I'm like, what the heck is orris? O-R-I-S. And we looked it up, and apparently it's some kind of root. Some sort of fragrant root. So, yeah. I am going to open this to show you the packaging it came in, because this is the one item I opened and played with yesterday when the box arrived. Come on. The rain just picked up. I hope it's not too loud. I literally can't open this. Here we go. So it comes in a little container, a little vial like this. And I don't know if you could tell, it has like a stick that goes down. We had the hardest time opening this tiny little vial because obviously you don't want to yank it and then spill this everywhere. It was really hard to get this out in a smooth yet gentle way. So I will say I do not love the way this sample is packaged. I would have much preferred one of those ones that just spritzes, like the little vials that spritz, but that is obviously not the important part. It's whether you like the fragrance or not. So the fragrance is nice. I wouldn't say it really captures the essence of me personally. It does smell good though. It doesn't stink. It just doesn't feel like something I would wear personally, although I'm going to finish this little sample up. And I will say, it does not say fall to me whatsoever. This is 100% in my mind a spring fragrance. So it's kind of weird that it's coming out right now instead of March. So Just my opinion, but it does smell nice and it smells good enough that I will finish this instead of passing it on. Next item we have is from Harvest Natural Beauty, the Lengthening Organic Mascara in the color 099 Black. And here is the packaging. Let's see what we have to say about this. So this is $18 for 0.25 ounces. And ideal for sensitive eyes, the smudge-proof, water-resistant mascara lengthens and thickens lashes. That's nice that it's smudge-proof and good for sensitive eyes. Lately, I have been having a lot of watering in my corners. My eyes are blue, so they're a bit more sensitive to light, and especially with the sun being so intense recently, my eyes just like water lately. I'm saying like too much, someone punched me in the face. Anyway, let's open this up and check out the brush. Oh, it's got a little plastic covering on it. I hope the power doesn't go out. It is seriously storming. Okay. This is crazy that this, which feels like a sample size or a deluxe size, is $18, but alright. So it's a very traditional mascara wand. I mean, it's black, so you may not be able to see the detail of it, but just a very standard mascara wand. So I'm excited to try that. It should be interesting. I'm saying like too much, someone punched me in the face. Anyway, let's open this up and check out the brush. Oh, it's got a little plastic covering on it. I hope the power doesn't go out. It is seriously storming. Okay. This is crazy that this, which feels like a sample size or a deluxe size, is $18, but alright. So it's a very traditional mascara wand. I mean, it's black, so you may not be able to see the detail of it, but just a very standard mascara wand. So I'm excited to try that. It should be interesting. The next product that we have in this box is from Juice Beauty, which historically I have not loved Juice Beauty products, so it's just a little context. And this is the Blemish Clearing Serum. It's a pretty straightforward description. Here is the bottle. Let's see. It says this retails for $15. I would be surprised if this wasn't a full size. It's 1 ounce, but it's a pretty big bottle. Like, it's the size of my hand, really. So it's fairly large. And the description says, reduce breakouts, unclog pores, and even skin tone with this powerful serum packed with willow bark, salicylic acid, and organic fruit acids. So I'm definitely willing to give it a try, especially since it has the salicylic acid. But just historically speaking, I have not loved Juice Beauty products, so I don't have high hopes for this, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to give it a fair shot. I don't see an ingredient list on here. I'll have to go onto the website and check out the ingredient list, but yeah, I do love that it is a big old offering. It's quite large, so that's pretty cool. Next, this is cute. This is a really pretty packaging. This is glass. I don't know how to say this. Pa'akai cleansing cream. Let's see. I can get it to focus. Yeah, there we go. Really cute packaging. So, Honolulu Hawaiian Skincare. This is the Pa'akai, if that's how you say it, cleansing cream. This retails for $12. This is 1 ounce. This is a really good size. Everything in here except for that little fragrance, which is clearly just an add-on, was a really good size. I'm quite pleased with it. So it says Hawaiian salt hibiscus and seaweed. Cleanse, repair, and renew for soft, hydrated skin. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I have to say I love that this box very frequently sends cleansers, because that's something that I'm definitely going to continually go through all the time is cleanser. So I'm glad that like practical things come in this box. Okay, and the last item to come in here is the Derma E Essentials Radiance Toner with glycolic acid and rooibos. Y'all know what I mean. That T that begins with an R. I can't pronounce it. Rooibos. Anyway, this is a toner. And let's see. This alcohol-free exfoliating toner with glycolic acid helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for smooth and luminous appearance. And it says this one right here, which is 1 fluid ounce, retails for $2.50, which means that the full-size bottle of this is probably crazy affordable, which is exciting. I am definitely excited to try this out. I'm certainly starting to get on the more empty end of my Lush toner that I really love, so I'll be using this as soon as that one's finished. Really exciting. And I'm happy to say that I'll be using it with my cotton, reusable, rewashable cotton pads, cotton rounds. I got them on Amazon, so I will not be throwing away cotton rounds. I think I have 1 or 2 packs of like disposable ones left, and I'm going to just save them for when I have to remove my nail polish, which honestly I should probably do tonight, but I'm not going to because my nails are all kinds of chipped, but whatever. So that is everything that came in the August PetitVour box. I'm quite pleased with this all. I'm pretty excited to try all of this. I mean, the fragrance is like whatever, but it's tiny, and it was clearly an add-on because we got 4 fantastic products. The mascara itself is said to retail for $18 at this size, which means this pretty much covers the entire cost of the box, and everything else is just extra, which is sweet. I'm very, very pleased with this box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with terrible lighting. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button down there. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!